Xinjiang is a key battlefield in the fight against extremism in China. From 1990 to 2016, separatists and religious extremists plotted and carried out several thousand violent acts, including bombings, assassinations, poisoning, arson, assaults, and riots in the region. Many innocent people have been killed, and several hundred police officers have died in the line of duty. The property losses incurred were enormous. In an attempt to quell the violence, Xinjiang has established vocational education and training centers to provide employment opportunities. These centers have effectively curbed the violence and have boosted security in the region. The white paper clearly indicates that education and training is not a measure to limit personal freedom. Rather, it's an important measure to help trainees to break free from ideas of religious extremism. The establishment of the education centers is in response to a set of urgent needs, which include curbing frequent violent incidents and to help trainees find employment and increase their incomes, and most of all, to safeguard social stability and peace in Xinjiang. Education and training in Xinjiang is practiced in line with the rule of law in China. The training centers have been established based in accordance with Chinese counterterrorism law and the regulations of the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region on de-radicalization. After graduation, the trainees can choose their own jobs where employment can be arranged for them with assistance of relevant authorities. From January to June 2019, nearly 76 million tourists visited Xinjiang, an increase of 46% since 2018. Since the end of December of 2018, nearly 1,000 people have visited Xinjiang. They include foreign diplomatic envoys to China, UN officials, Geneva-based senior diplomats of various countries, as well as more than 40 groups of people from political parties and civil society organizations. Liu Yang, CGTN, Beijing.